Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of broccoli cheddar soup. It's very easy to make broccoli cheddar soup. So let's get started. If you like the recipe, then do share and subscribe. We'll cut the broccoli florets into small pieces and also we'll wash and peel the carrots and cut them also into small pieces. Now to make the soup, in a large pan on medium flame, we'll melt 3 tablespoons of butter. We'll add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic in it and saute it. Then we'll add 1 cup of chopped onions. We'll saute them. We'll let it turn little brown. Once the onion becomes little brown, we'll add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in this and whisk it, or with the help of a ladle, continuously stirring it. We'll let it cook on medium flame. Once the color of the all-purpose flour turns little brown or yellow, it hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes. Then we'll add 2 cups of water in this, little by little, stirring it continuously. We'll stir it continuously so that there are no lumps formed. Then we'll add the carrots. Also we'll add the broccoli florets. We'll stir it nicely and let it cook on medium flame for at least 10 to 12 minutes. We'll also add the salt in this. I have also added 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes. It's optional. Now instead of water, we can use vegetable stock. Now to make this soup more rich and creamy, we'll add 2 cups of half and half milk. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer. We'll also add half teaspoon of black pepper powder in the soup. We'll let it cook, stirring it continuously. Once the soup comes to a boil, we'll slow down the gas and let it cook for at least 8 to 10 minutes, stirring it continuously. We'll check whether the vegetables are cooked properly. So our soup is almost done. We'll turn off the gas. We'll let the pan remain on the gas stove. Now we'll add the cheddar cheese in this. We'll add half of the cheddar cheese in the soup and mix it with the help of a ladle. Then we'll add the rest of the cheddar cheese. I have used store-bought grated cheddar cheese. We'll mix it nicely. So our rich creamy broccoli cheddar soup is ready. Let's serve it. Enjoy broccoli cheddar soup with your friends and family. While serving, we can add croutons. See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.